So hello. So today we are going to download Minecraft Java Edition for free on the PC. So this will be very easy, I guess. So for the Minecraft you have to open the Chrome, which is opened, and then you have to search for the SK launcher. Yeah, AI, and you will see the SK launcher first in the list. Just click on it and there you will scroll down and you'll see the download button. Just click on it and ad will come. You have to close the ad. Then the download button is loading the installer itself. It will be a .exe file. So then you have to just click on the installer and it will download very easily. It's done. Open the folder. You will see first, and I have already one because I play Minecraft. I also use this. After the installation of the installer, you will uh, download it or you will start the startup like any other application you do. Then you will go to the desktop where it is installed. Just double click on it. There it is. I have it on the desktop. After the loading of the launcher, it will open very quick as it is downloaded. When you will install it and it is new, it will install the Minecraft first itself automatically. Then you will see the play button there, but you have to log in first. Okay, you got me? Then you can play Minecraft easily. It's very simple. And it also have a snapshot version and it has latest release, and you can install any kind of mod, any kind of other versions of Minecraft you have. I don't know, I play very less, you know. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. At least do one. Bye bye.